Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit photos on CapCut PC. So there's actually a lot of ways how you can edit it. Basically when you import it here on your media, you drag it down right here. You can see that you can scale it like that. And now there's also some other options like canvas, where you can choose a blur canvas and add it around your photo, a blur. Now there's also animations, but these are for a video actually. So if you want to do a GIF or a video, then okay. Now adjustments, you can actually do a lot of here. So now some skin tone protection, so turn it on to make skin tone more natural. So this is if you are using a person's photo. Now you can choose and change the temperature here, the hue, saturation, and now there's lightness, like you can make it darker, contrast, highlight, and many other things. And yeah, that's how you do this. You can also add some clarity. Now you can also add some adjustments. So you can add custom adjustment by clicking adjustment. Now taking this custom adjustment and dragging it to the photo. And now you can actually add those adjustments. So this is also the same basically. Now you can also add some filters. So the filters are right here where you can choose them. Now let's click on a photo and let's choose, for example, glam highlights. Let's delete this one. Now if we will add, for example, this Oppenheimer filter, as you can see it changes automatically. You can minimize or maximize the strength of it, and basically like that you can add the filters and choose from the ones here. There's also, this is the featured ones. There's like movies, portrait, mono, night scene, and so on. So yeah guys, that's how you edit the photos. Now to export them, you're gonna click export and save to your computer. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.